يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله ولتنظر نفس ما قدمت لغد واتقوا الله إن الله خبير بما تعملون.
O you who believe, fear God, and let every soul consider what it has forwarded for the morrow, and fear God. God is aware of what you do.
Gentlemen, let me know the time. What's the time right now? What's the time now?
1:70. 1:70
1:17
p.m.
p.m. Very good. Now, how was your college today? How was your studies today? It was fine. It was okay. How were your studies today?
It's fine.
It was fine. Very good. How is the weather today? How is the weather today?
It's cool.
It's cool. It's cool or it's hot? It's pleasant. It's pleasant. Very good. It's not cool. It's not hot.
Yes.
It's pleasant. No. And how was the weather yesterday?
Hot.
It was hot. How was the weather yesterday?
It was hot.
Okay. So what's the day today? What's the day today?
It is Thursday
It is Thursday
today.
today. And what was the day yesterday?
It was
What was the day yesterday?
It was Wednesday today.
It was Wednesday.
Yes.
Wednesday.
It
It was
was
Wednesday yesterday.
Yes.
What will be the day tomorrow?
It will be Friday too.
Very good. It will be Friday. Umar better say Friday. No, Friday. Very good. It will be Friday tomorrow. What's the date today?
It will be.
What is the date today?
It is 20.
It is 20 today.
Yes.
What was the date yesterday?
It was 19.
It was 19 yesterday. What will be the date tomorrow?
It will be 21 tomorrow.
Very 21st. Clear? So develop it. 21st, 22nd, 23rd. Clear?
Yes.
First, second, third. And after that 24, 25, 26. Clear?
Yes.
And same is the case with first. It is first, it is second, it is third. And after that,
20.
it is 4, 5 like that.
11, 12 or
Absolutely. It is 11. It is 11, it is 12 and so on. Keep it simple. Okay. So you are ready for the new lesson today?
Yes.
Our first lesson was about it, clear?
Yes.
And then we added now the second part of it was is.
Yes.
The first day, in first lesson, we talked about it is. Clear? It is. Well, it is now, it is Thursday today, we talked about the day. We talked about the date, it is 20th today. Clear? And then month, then we talked about weather, we talked about hour of the day. It is now noon now.
Yes.
Correct? We
Yes.
talked about. There were 8 questions which we did on the very first day in our first class. And the second lesson it was about it was, it will be.
Yes.
8 plus 8 we attempted or we discussed 16 questions. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. So we discussed 16 questions now on the second day of our class.
Yes.
First day we talked about how many questions? 8 questions now. And the lesson was about 8. 8 is. And second lesson there were 18 questions. First 8 questions, there were 16 questions. The
Yes.
first 8 questions about it was. And next 8 questions about
Very
very good. It is first 8 questions. It was next 8 questions.
Yes.
It will be the next 8 questions.
Yes.
8, 8 and 8.
See.
Clear, beta?
Yes.
Today we are going to discuss now 6 questions. How many questions are we discussing today?
6.
6 questions. They are different from the previous one. See, T H E R E. What's the word, please?
There.
They are very good. What? There. T H E R E. There. And the question is, please.
What is there?
Words
There.
there. Very good. Words
There.
there. What is the full form of words?
What is?
What is? When we convert two words into one, this is called contraction.
Yes.
This is contraction.
Yes.
Means it is a composition
Of two.
of two words. Very good. Clear?
Yes.
Words there, and after that we add where. Example of where. In my right hand. Where? In my right hand. Do you understand it? No.
It is that one.
No, better see. First, very good, very good. But see, first understand, no, this the concept of where. Where? No. Example, give examples. Where? On the table. Where?
On the table.
Where?
On the table.
Some other example?
Where? On the door. On the door. On the table.
On the table. On the table. On the table. Near the dais. Where?
Near.
Near the dais. Some other example of where? Please wait.
Where? On the.
No, don't say where. Actually, you are giving the examples of where. Please. आप where के examples दे रहे हो ना, where कमाना क्या होता है? ये नहीं कहना कहाँ, no. मिसाल से समझाना है.
Where are you going?
नहीं, आप ये नहीं समझा. उमर आप क्या समझे? अच्छा एक बात बताइए. माइक जो है कहाँ पे है? Where is the mic?
On the table.
तो फिर ये on the table क्या होगा? Where? Where example होगी?
Yes.
आपके सामने. ये आपके सामने किसकी एग्जाम्पल है?
Where?
Where की ना? Where in front of you. अब बात समझे? नहीं समझे? अच्छा चलो और आसान कर देता हूँ. Words हैं.
Yes.
आपके सामने कुछ words हैं.
Yes.
Where?
On the.
On the whiteboard. तो ये मैंने पूछा where, आपने जवाब क्या दिया? On the whiteboard. तो ये on the whiteboard इसे क्या कहेंगे?
से क्वेश्चन कैसे बनेगा?
वो
Where?
बात नहीं करते. अभी बिल्कुल वो क्वेश्चन तो बाद में करते हैं. मैं सिर्फ पूछना चाह रहा हूँ कि ये where के एग्जांपल्स आपने दिए. जिस तरह भी ये एग्जांपल क्या है? Where on the whiteboard. और एग्जांपल दीजिए चार्ल्स. In the street.
Where? On the block.
अच्छा कोई बात. सॉरी जब सुना. चलिए मैं एग्जांपल देता हूँ जरा. देखिए. Under the feet. Under
The feet.
क्या मतलब? Under the feet. पाँव के नीचे.
Shoe.
जो बात मैं सिर्फ पूछ वो बतानी है. तो देन आप डिफरेंट क्लास में बैठे हैं. रट्टा तो है नहीं यहाँ पे. कि रट्टा होता है यहाँ पे. यहाँ पर डाया है. तारती है. इज आर एम वाल. ये तो नहीं होता ना. तो समझे बैठे. मैंने लफ्ज लिखा अंडर द फीट. क्या समझे? पाँव के नीचे. तो बंदा को पूछे कि फर्श कहाँ है?
Under the feet.
अंडर द फीट. बात समझे?
Yes.
पंखा वैसे कहाँ है? ये पंखा जो आपको नजर आ रहा है कहाँ है, क्या कहेंगे? हाँ शाबाश। एक आदमी पूछता है पंखा कहाँ है, इस कमरे में पंखा है, एक फैन है, कहाँ है?
ऑन द फ्लोर।
अच्छा, ओवर द फ्लोर, ये क्या है? ऑन द फॉर्म, इसे क्या कहते हैं? फॉर्म, PLM, फॉर्म। क्या कहते हैं? फॉर्म का मतलब क्या होता है? हथेली। ये देखिए PALM, फॉर्म, हथेली। व्हाट? फॉर्म। सी व्हाट? मार्कर। वेयर इज द मार्कर?
ऑन द फॉर्म।
ऑन द फॉर्म। तो ये ऑन द फॉर्म क्या है? किसकी एग्जांपल है?
वेयर।
वेयर की। अच्छा, ये है ऑन द फॉर्म। अब ये क्या है? ओवर द फॉर्म। क्या है?
ओवर द।
अब क्या है?
ऑन द।
ऑन द फॉर्म। अब क्या है?
ओवर द।
तो फैन कहां पे है?
ओवर द।
ओवर।
ओवर द फ्लोर।
अच्छा, एक और एग्जांपल, ये जो टेबल है कहां पे है? ऑन द फ्लोर। टेबल कहां पे है? ऑन द फ्लोर। पंखा कहां पे है? ये जो फैन है, सीलिंग फैन कहां पे है? ओवर द फ्लोर। आपको फर्क समझ आया?
Yes.
ऑन और ओवर।
यस
पक्की बात है?
यस
कुछ वेयर की समझ आ रही है?
यस सर, समझ आ गई।
अच्छा, बैग नजर आ रहा है?
यस
कंप्यूटर बैग
यस
नजर आ रहा है?
Yes.
कहां पे? वेयर?
ओ
नहीं, उस पे तो नहीं है वो।
उस पे
ऑन द स्टैंड।
ऑन द स्टैंड।
कौन सा है वो? स्टैंड है ना?
यस सर,
ऑन द स्टैंड। कहां पे?
ऑन द स्टैंड।
अच्छा, एसी नजर आ रहा है?
यस सर,
कहां पे? ऑन द वॉल। अब बात समझ नहीं आ
यस
रही। वो किताबें पढ़िए, कहां पे? कहां? वेयर? ऑन द शेल्फ।
ऑन
अब आप सिर्फ भूल गए था कि वो क्या है, उसे कहते हैं?
Yes,
ऐसे
yes.
उसे कहते हैं शेल्फ।
शेल्फ।
SHELF। ये जो आपका वो किताब है ना आपकी, डिस्ट्रॉइंग बुक्स, आप एक लेसन ही है
यस सर,
है ना?
यस सर है।
वो उसमें पढ़िएगा शेल्फ। शेल्फ नहीं, वो जिन्हें तुसी पंजाबी शेल्फ आते हो।
यस सर, यस
किचन है चक्की वाली कोठी जो शेल्फ बनवाइयां, कनस ना आते, कनस। कनस में भांडे रखे हैं, वो क्या होंगी? शेल्फ। अब याद नहीं बात?
यस सर, समझ आ।
अच्छा जी, वेयर आर द बुक्स?
ऑन द शेल्फ।
ऑन द शेल्फ। वेयर इज द माइक?
ऑन द टेबल।
On the table. Where is the fan? Over the floor. Over my head. Over your head. Where is the AC?
ऑन द वॉल।
On the wall. Very good. Where is the clock?
ऑन द वॉल।
On the wall. Where is the glass cleaner? This is. Where is the glass cleaner?
ऑन द बोर्ड।
And the whiteboard. Where is the glass cleaner? No, I use it not to clean it. No.
यस सर,
So, but you can call it, no, that it is a whiteboard cleaner, no. So, it's basically. Okay. Next, please. Panaflex. Panaflex. Where is Panaflex? On the wall. Okay. Between the bulb holder and the whiteboard. Between that bulb holder and the whiteboard. बात समझी?
यस सर।
Dice.
Dice.
What?
Dice.
Dice. What?
Dice.
Where?
On the floor.
On the floor. Under the clock. Where?
Yes.
Under the clock.
Yes.
Between the wall and
Whiteboard.
very good. Where? Between the wall
On
and the whiteboard. हम पहले क्या समझने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं पहले? Where. अच्छा, और जरा देखिए। What's it?
wall.
Wall. Where?
On the floor.
On the floor. Okay. और बताइए। Where? We are talking about wall. Where? Hurry. Please. your right side. Where? On your
Right side.
Right side. And on my
Left.
side. Where? On your right side. On my left side.
Yes.
Where? Behind
Board.
the
White.
whiteboard. Behind the dice.
Behind
Behind the doors. Very good. Behind the door. Where is the dice?
On the floor.
On the floor. In front of the wall. Again?
Yes.
Where? In front of the wall.
Front of the
Or बताइए.
near.
Very good. On your right side. On the right side of the whiteboard. ये whiteboard है. इसकी right side ये हुई ना. So on the right side of the whiteboard. On your right side.
Between
Very good. Between
whiteboard and wall.
and the wall. अब where तो पता चला कि where हम क्या करें.
Yes.
अच्छा. What's it?
There.
What's it? T. Very good. भाई साहब एक खुरकना नहीं है ज़्यादा. Scratch. खुरकना क्या होता?
Scratch.
Scratch.
Yes.
Don't scratch your head. Scratch.
Yes.
याद रहेगा?
Yes.
खारिज करना. See, खुलाना. SCRATC. Scratch. और जैसे लेते यूफ होने वाले कार्ड लेते और
Yes.
क्या करते हैं?
Scratch.
इसी क्या कहते हैं? Scratch. हाँ जी. Where is? What's it?
T.
T. What's it?
H.
What's it?
E.
What's it?
O.
What's it?
E.
Very good. अब मेरा अगला सवाल. Where is T? Where is the letter T?
Star.
Very good. In the start of the word. In the start of
Word.
before
H.
before it. Very good. Where? Where is the letter T? Very good. The new idea. Very good. Where? On the whiteboard. सही है ना?
Yes, sir.
In the start of the words. Where? Before
H.
or after?
S.
Very good. अगली बात. Where is the letter H?
After T.
Very good. Where? After T.
After.
After the letter T. Before
E.
Before E. MashaAllah. Where is the word where? Where is the word where? On the whiteboard.
After small bracket.
Very good. After
Small bracket.
between.
Bracket.
Very good. Which brackets?
Small.
Small brackets. No, the brace brackets, and the third one is what? See, no different. The small brackets are there. Brace brackets are there. What's the third one? Tell me tomorrow.
Yes.
Think about it
Yes.
and let me know about that.
Inshallah.
That's your assignment. Keep in mind.
Inshallah, sir. Yes, sir.
And remember, I don't forget.
Yes, sir.
See, so where is the word where?
Between.
Between small brackets. Between small brackets. Where's your tie? Very good. MashaAllah. Where? Around the neck. Very good. You can say here. Where is my tie? Here.
Yeah.
No, where? In my right hand.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
अब concept clear हुआ?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
पक्की गल है?
पक्की गल।
अब मुझे एग्जांपल दीजिए ऐसे on the road. An example where on the road, where in front of Sela. Sela के sun. G.
Car on the road.
Very good. No. अब इससे G where बनाना है? Behind the Punjab College Johorabad campus. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Where? Behind the Punjab College Johorabad campus. Please. Where? Between. Please. Example.
Between Punjab College and Jarabal, same.
Very good. No, that's no the drainage. The drain, the drainage is there. No, that's called drainage. Drain. Clear?
Yes.
See, you can say between Punjab College and Parkway Mills.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
Now, some other example which you want to give, please.
Before the war.
Very good. Before the wall,
After.
after, in front, behind. Let's move forward. तो आज का क्वेश्चन है बेटा, ये देखिए, अब क्वेश्चन मार्क है. What's there in my right hand, under the feet, on the road? What's there in front of Sila? What's there behind the Punjab College, Johor? What's there between Punjab College and Parkway Mills? What's there on the shelf? What? What's there
Shelf.
on the shelf?
Yes.
What's there in my right hand? क्या मतलब है इसका?
मेरे
दाएं हाथ में क्या है? What's there in my left hand?
मेरे बाएं हाथ में
मेरे बाएं हाथ में क्या है? तो जवाब जब देना है तो दो ऑप्शंस हैं. See gentlemen, this is clear?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
The question is, what's there in my right hand? What's there under your feet? What's there on the road? सड़क पे क्या है? सिला के सामने क्या है? Behind Punjab College, Johor campus, Punjab College के पीछे क्या है? What's there between PC and PK and me? Punjab College और Parkway Mills के दरमियान में क्या है? ठीक है जी?
Yes.
What's there on the shelf? Shelf पे क्या है? What's there behind you? आपके पीछे क्या है? What's there in front of you? आपके सामने क्या है? ये questions है ना?
Yes, sir.
So we will attempt these questions now by saying ये क्या है?
There.
There is. There
Yes.
is. आगे क्या बताएंगे? What? What?
और
A marker, a red marker. There is a red marker. Where?
right hand.
Where? Very good. In the right hand. There is a red marker in the right hand. What's there in the left hand?
Nothing in.
Very good. बेटा. There is
Nothing.
nothing. क्या कहेंगे? There is
Nothing.
there is nothing. Where? In the left hand. Points clear?
Yes.
You can say a very simple question. What's there on the stool? What's there on the stool?
Notebook.
There is a notebook. There is a booklet.
Book.
There is a booklet on the stool. Next please.
A mobile phone.
There is a mobile phone on the stool. G.
There is a mic.
There is a mic on the stool. बात हो गई?
Yes.
ऐसे कह सकते हो कि there is a mobile on the right side, on the right corner of the stool. There is a booklet between. There is a booklet.
Between mic and mobile phone.
Very good. There is a booklet between the mic and the mobile phone. There is a mic. Okay.
Right on the mobile. Right.
On the left side. On the left side. That's your left side. That is right. Clear?
Yes.
Clear? On the left side of the notebook, of the booklet, of the mobile. What do you say? Now, what's there on that? No, that's stool. Very good. What's there on that stool?
There is a mic.
There's a mic. Please.
There is a notebook.
There's a booklet. Okay.
There is a mobile phone.
There's a mobile phone. Where? On the stool. What's there? What's there near the booklet? What's there near the booklet?
There is a mic
There's a mic.
near there.
Very good. Near the booklet. What's there on the table?
There is nothing.
There is nothing on the table. तो समझ में
Yes, sir.
देख लो परेशान हो बैठो मैं तो सब
नहीं वो गौर कर
अच्छा अच्छा ओके you can say I think that's better what's there in the holder
देयर इज अ फोल्डर
There is a one.
there's a bulb very good bulb bulb what bulb there is a bulb in the holder what's there in that holder
There is nothing.
there is nothing in that holder no clear sure see my question now what's there in front of the laptop
There is a keyboard.
there is a keyboard in front of the laptop what's there on the right side of the laptop
लैंप
There is a
देयर
right side okay there is
लैंप राइट साइड इन द लैपटॉप
complete battery
देयर इज अ लैंप
Very
राइट
good.
साइड इन द लैपटॉप
right side
इन द लैपटॉप
why beta in the
off
off right side on the right side of the laptop
yes
on the right side of the laptop on the right side of the writing board on the right side of the table okay
yes
on the left side of the table so there's a table lamp on the right side
of the laptop
clear
Yes.
what's there on the left side of the laptop Omar
ऐसे yes
now that you took it now you considered right side you take that this is the right side now it would be
Yes.
left side okay please
there is a USB
very good
of the left side laptop
very good there is a USB on the left side of the laptop there is a mouse clear
yes
अब आपने देखना है वो चीजें पड़ी हैं इस सारे कमरे को देखना है आपने मुझे बताना है कि what is there and where क्या है और कहाँ है लो बच्चे शुरू हो जाओ नो इट्स योर टर्न हरी वन बाय वन
There
there is a chair on the
floor there is a chair
On the
on the
floor.
floor जी बेटा
There is computer bag on the stand.
very good there is a computer bag on the stand जी
there is a TV on the chair
very good again बेटा दोबारा
There is-
नहीं वो कहने explain को
There
there is
is
a TV there is a TV on the chair ठीक होगी बात वो स्कूल से लगती है ना
yes
हाँ
There is a whiteboard on the wall.
very good there is a switchboard no on the wall जी
there is a Mac on the table
there is a mic there is a mic ये हमने किया हुआ है
Yes.
a mic बताया था ना
Yes, sir.
there is a mic on the table जी बेटा
There is a bag on the chair.
very good there हाँ ये मैं इंतजार कर रहा था कितने बैग्स हैं
two
तो फिर इस तो नहीं कहेंगे ना बेटा
uh,
क्या कहेंगे वेरी गुड देयर आर what two bags there are
there are
two bags
on the chair
on the chair very good there are two bags on the chair D what's there on the shelf
There
there are
very many
many
mashallah love you my son there are many books there are
many books
many books on the shelf okay there are many books behind you you can see over there on the shelf okay please और देखिए ये इन और ऑन मैं आपको बुकलेट दूंगा मंडे को कब
Monday
अब मंडे को आएंगे ना
yes sir निकल नहीं
कल फ्राइडे अच्छा फिर इंशाल्लाह कल मिल जाएगी
yes
ये वर्ड्स आपको पूरी बुकलेट मिलेगी और आप इसे स्टडी कीजिए देखो ना इन ऑन ओवर नियर बिसाइड बिटवीन इन फ्रंट ऑफ बिहाइंड इनसाइड व्हाट्स देयर इनसाइड द टेबल
printer
there are two printers inside the table okay Omar there are so many things please let me know
there
inside the table please
There are
Very good. There is a piece of scissors. Okay. Hurry up.
there is headphone inside
ये बेटा
the,
क्यों करते हैं? मैंने पहले दिन प्रैक्टिस करवाई थी ना.
there is inside,
There is a headphone.
there
There
a
is
headphone.
a headphone where inside the table. Okay. और बताइए what else is there? बोलिए बेटा बोलिए.
There is stapler.
There is a stapler inside the table. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And there are staples. There are staples where? In the stapler. Inside the stapler. In the stapler. ऐसे ही उसके अंदर है.
Yes, sir.
ये प्रैक्टिस आपने करनी इस तरह. There is, there are. There is, there are. अच्छा ऐसे घर बैठे होंगे ना ऐसे देखिए आपने. There is a kettle in the kitchen. केतली होती है ना. अच्छा आप कहेंगे there is water where? In the cooler. There is a water in the cooler. There is a tea. There is tea. चाय कहाँ पे होगी? In the flask. वो जो flask होता है थर्मोस होता है. बात समझाइए?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा अभी जाएंगे आप जा रहे होंगे ना तो कोशिश कीजिए प्रैक्टिस करें. There are vans on the road. There are vans
On the
on the road. There are motorcycles on the road. या अगर एक नजर है there is a motorcycle on the road. Clear? There is an ambulance on the road. प्रैक्टिस करेंगे?
Yes, sir. Inshallah.
और घर में करेंगे. अच्छा इसी तरह जब प्लेग्राउंड होंगे तो क्या करें? There is enjoyment.
There are.
चल बहुत आसान है, मुझे बहुत बात जा रहा है. ये जो चीजें हैं जो आपको नजर आ रही हैं ऐसे. इसके अलावा और यहाँ पे क्या क्या है? इस रूम में बोलिए शाबाश. There is heat. आप गर्मी हो गई है ना? मैंने लाइट्स भी ला दी और दरवाजा बंद कर दिया है सारा. There is heat. There is heat in the room. कमरे में क्या है? गर्मी है. और क्या है? There is knowledge.
There is.
There is knowledge. There is knowledge in the room. इस कमरे में क्या है? Knowledge है, इल्म है.
Yes.
किस शक्ल में? आप बैठे हो, आपके पास knowledge है, आपके पास है, किताबों में knowledge है, ये नेट चल रहा है, इंटरनेट में knowledge है ना?
Yes.
So there is knowledge, इल्म है, कहाँ पे? In the room, in the box. और यहाँ पे क्या है?
There is air.
There is air in the room. और
There is
बुरी है,
oxygen in the room.
बुरी है थोड़ी है.
There is oxygen in the room.
Absolutely right. आपको बुरी है थोड़ी है,
No, sir.
थकावट हो रही है.
No, sir.
तो कहें कि there is no
No.
boredom. B-O-R-T-E-M. बुरी है. There is no boredom in the class. क्लास में बुरी है नहीं है.
There is no more.
There is no tiredness. थकावट नहीं है. There is no problem in the class. क्लास में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
Yes, sir.
अगर आप और करेंगे, there is difficulty in learning. There is difficulty, मुश्किल है, कहाँ पे? In learning. There is no difficulty, कोई मुश्किल नहीं, कहाँ पे? In learning. बात समझा आ गई?
Yes, sir.
There is entertainment.
In the.
There is confusion है. There are doubts. मुख्तलिफ किस्म के डाउट्स हैं. हम इसलिए करते हैं कि अपने डाउट्स को क्या करना है, क्लियर करना है. तो ये आपको इज और नो क्लियर हो.
Yes.
अच्छा घर में क्या क्या होता है? जी जल्दी करो. What is there at home?
There is a motorcycle in the home.
Very good. There is motorbike at home. जी जी सिक्लेन होमवर्क.
There is a TV.
Very good. There is TV in the TV lounge. There is TV in the TV lounge. There is a fridge in the kitchen. जनरली लोग इस पे रखते हैं. अच्छा ये तो चीजें नजर आती हैं. और क्या है? There is love. There is love at home. घर में मोहब्बत होती है. और क्या होता है? There is discussion. जब सुना कोई discussion होती है कि नहीं होती? There is discussion at home. घर में क्या होती है? डिस्कशन होती है, बहस होती है. जी और क्या होता है? there is cooperation.
Yes.
There is
Cooperation.
cooperation. एक दूसरे से cooperate कर रहे होते हैं. So
Yes.
cooperation है.
Yes.
There is consultation at home. एक दूसरे से पूछ रहे होते हैं.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा मैं क्या करना चाहिए? मैं किस बंदे से मिलना चाहिए? किस ये कंसल्ट कर रहे होते
Yes,
हैं.
yes.
मशवरा.
Yes.
So there is consultation at home. जी. There is enjoyment at home. There is rest at home.
Yes, sir. There is eating.
There is very good. There is food. There is food at home. अच्छा चलो अब इसी पे आपने काम करना है. वीडियो दोबारा देखिएगा या आगे घर जाके देखिएगा और इस तरह प्रैक्टिस करनी है
Yes.
कि कौन सी चीजें हैं जो नजर आ रही हैं, कौन सी इनसे जुड़ी हैं.
Yes, sir.
टीवी है तो इससे जुड़ी चीज कौन सी है? एंटरटेनमेंट,
Yes.
एजुकेशन, ठीक है ना. इंफॉर्मेशन, देयर इज इंफॉर्मेशन,
Yes.
देयर इज एजुकेशन, देयर इज एंटरटेनमेंट, है ना.
Yes.
तो किताबें हैं तो किताबों से जुड़ी क्या चीजें?
Knowledge.
देयर इज नॉलेज,
Enjoyment.
there is enjoyment, there are words, there are stories,
Yes, sir.
there is success,
Yes, sir.
कामयाबी है. there is bright future.
Yes.
इसमें क्या मौजूद है? bright future है इसमें.
Yes.
रोशन उसमें. अच्छा ये तो था. आप एक और चीज हम ऐड कर रहे हैं, इसे समझना है. देखना बैठो. ये क्या है?
Who's?
क्या है ये? Whose full form क्या होगी? Very good. Who's there? Who's there on your left side? Who is there on your left side?
There is Sigan.
Very good. There is Mr. Siklan on your left side. Who is there on your right side?
There is Umar Shazad on the right side.
Very good. Who is there in front of you?
There is a table in my front.
That is what? वो क्या है? What? मैं पूछ रहा हूँ who is there? Who is there in front of you?
There is our teacher.
Very good. बेटे जब भी who कहेंगे ना तो इससे मुराद होगी person.
Yes.
याद नहीं था?
Yes, sir.
अभी भूले नहीं आप.
Yes.
जब भी who कहेंगे तो इससे मुराद क्या होगी?
Person.
So who is there in front of you? There is a teacher in front of you. There is a trainer in front of you. ठीक ऐसी बात होगी ना. There is a man in front of you.
Yes.
There is an old man in front of you. ये बात क्लियर हो?
Yes, sir.
मुझे बताइए. Who is there on your right side? Omar, who is there on your right side? There is वो तो था what? इसे कहेंगे none. N-O-N-E. क्या कहेंगे?
None.
What is there on your right side? There is
No.
no. What is there on your right side? There is a wall.
Yes.
There's a mark. There's a, you can say, there's a dice. What is there? What is there
There.
on the table?
There is nothing.
There is nothing. Very good. There is nothing on the table. Who is there on your left side?
There is Muhammad Sigan.
On your
Left.
left side. Who is there on your right side?
There is nothing.
Very good. There is a none on your right side. There is a nothing on the table. What's clear?
Yes, sir.
Who is there on your right side?
There is Umar Shazad.
On your right side. Who is there on your left side?
There is none.
Very good, beta. There is
None.
none. There is
None.
none. Where? On your left side. Who is there? Who is there in the first chair?
There is Umar Shazad.
Very good. अब बात याद
Yes,
इसलिए।
yes.
अब जरा मैं आपसे पूछूं, जरा सोच के मुझे बताना है। Who is there in the principal office?
There is principal.
There is principal in the principal office. Who is there in the kitchen?
There is a cook.
Very good. There is a cook. There is a cook. उसके लिए एक और नाम होता है chef. याद है ना?
Chef.
C-H-E-F-F. Chef.
Yes.
Cook का नाम बताओगे? Chef. C-H-E-F-F. There is a chef where?
Kitchen.
In the kitchen. Who is there at the batting crease? Who is
There is a
there?
batsman.
There is a batsman at the batting crease. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Who is there? Who is there behind the stump? Who is there behind the stump on the bowling end?
Printer.
There is
Printer.
There is
an empire. Very good. There is an empire where behind the stem on the bowling end. And who is there behind the stem at the on the batting
There
end?
is keeper.
There is a wicket keeper behind the stem. Which side? On the batting side. On the batting end. No clear?
Yes, clear.
Sure.
Yes.
My question. Who is there in the shop?
There is shop.
There is
There's a shopkeeper. There's a customer. There's a shopkeeper. There's a customer. Clear? आप जरा मुझे बताइए कि अपने घर के बारे में जरा सोचिए, ऐसे इमेजिन कीजिए। क्या करना है? इमेजिन करना है। मुझे बताइए कि आप घर में खड़े हैं, आपके सामने घर के जो फैमिली, जो मेंबर्स ऑफ फैमिली हैं, मुझे बताइए कि वो कहाँ कहाँ है। सोच के। There is
mother
there's no mother
in kitchen.
in the kitchen. There's no mother in the kitchen. Ji. Father.
There is a father in the room.
Very good. There's the father in the room. जी. अम्मी किचन में है, अब्बू रूम में है. जी.
There is a brother in garden.
Very good. There's my brother in the garden. इसी तरह प्रैक्टिस, ये तो आप फर्ज कर रहे हो ना?
Yes, sir.
ये सही हो सकता है, गलत भी हो सकता है.
Yes.
अच्छा, आपने इस तरह जब घर जाएंगे आपने ऐसे देखना है, ऐसे जब भी प्रैक्टिस कैसे करनी है? There's my mother in the TV lounge. There's my father in the bedroom. There are some guests. कौन? Who? Guests. याद है कि बात? ये guests कौन होते हैं? There are some Guests. Guests क्या होते हैं?
No.
Guests कौन होते हैं?
Mehman.
Mehman. So there are some guests in the triangle. बात करो.
Yes.
आप मुझे बताइए, here's the driver
In the car.
in the car, in the driver's seat. There are passengers.
In the passenger seat.
Very good, very good. अब ये बात कर लेंगे इसी तरह.
Yes.
अब मुझे बताइए आपका ये जो डिफरेंस है, what's there and who's there, ये बात क्लियर होगी?
Yes, sir.
Who's specific about person? ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
There is God everywhere. अपने इल्म के लिहाज से. ठीक है?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
There is the grave of Prophet Muhammad sallam. Where? There is the grave of Prophet Muhammad sallam. अल्लाह के नबी की कब्र बारे कहाँ है?
There is a Jeddah. There is a Saudi Arab.
No specific area. There is the grave of Prophet Muhammad
There is
sallam.
a.
Where?
There is
In
a
Medina. In
Medina.
there is the grave of grave जानते हैं ना?
Yes.
कब्र को कहते हैं
Yes,
ना?
sir.
There's the Prophet's grave. Where? In Medina.
In Medina.
There is what? The house of God, the house of Allah, Baytullah, the house of Allah. Where?
In Makkah.
In Makkah. याद रखिए की बात आपके जो चोर है उसकी कोई मशहूर चीज बताइए जी. मैं चलो बता देता हूँ. There is illiteracy at Chua. Chua में क्या है? Illiteracy. ये क्या होता है? Literacy क्या होता है? Literacy जानते हैं?
Yes.
कहते हैं ना ये आदमी इन्हें पढ़ा लिखा, इन्हें पढ़ना लिखा आता है. तो जहाँ के जो पढ़े लिखा आदमी उसे क्या कहते हैं? Literate.
Little.
क्या कहते हैं? Literate. और जो अनपढ़ होगा उसे क्या कहेंगे? Illiterate. तो आपको जो गाँव है उसमें ज्यादा लोग पढ़े लिखे हैं या अनपढ़ हैं?
Unpad.
अनपढ़. Illiterate हो गए ना?
Yes.
Illiterate. तो वहां पे क्या हो? जहाँ illiterate होंगे वहां पे क्या होगी? Illiteracy. वहां पे क्या है?
Illiteracy.
Illiteracy है.
Illiteracy.
ठीक है जी.
Yes.
और अगर आप इस्लामाबाद चले जाएं तो आपको बहुत मेजॉरिटी लोगों की नजर आएगी जो लिटरेट है. तो वहां पे क्या है? लिटरेसी है जी. ठीक है कि चलो आपको ये बात समझ नहीं आई शायद. अच्छा, एक और चीज करवा दो. थक तो नहीं है? ठीक है, अगले से करवा दो.
काफी है
ये काफी ठीक हो गया बेटा. आज हमने सिर्फ ये पढ़ा कि व्हाट्स देयर एंड वेयर. दूसरा पढ़ा कि हु इज देयर एंड वेयर. तो दोनों चीजें आपको इस तरह करनी है। व्हाट्स देयर, पहले व्हाट सोचना है कि क्या है। आप इस तरह सोचोगे कि सी देयर इज अ व्हाइट बोर्ड बिहाइंड मी, देयर इज अ व्हाइट बोर्ड बिहाइंड मी, देयर इज अ व्हाइट बोर्ड बिफोर यू, इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, क्लियर है? देयर इज अ व्हाइट बोर्ड ऑन द वॉल। वे मुख्तलिफ अंदाज से बयान कर रहे हो ना। अच्छा, इस तरह क्या है, यू कैन से व्हाट्स देयर, ऐसे नहीं, व्हाट्स देयर, what's there? There's a circle. There's a circle where? On the whiteboard. What's there inside the circle?
Fill in blank.
There's nothing. भूल गया ना? What's there in the circle? There's nothing in the circle. What's there on the right side of the circle?
There is one.
Very good. There are words on the right side of the circle. Very good. No? What's there inside the circle now?
There are one.
Very good. There is the word circle inside the circle.
ये साथ समझा दे, inside, at, on.
We will learn inshallah. ऐसे ठीक होता जाएगा। आप पढ़ते जाएंगे कि चीजें क्लियर होती हैं। Points clear?
Yes sir.
Clear or not? No? अच्छा, एक तो ये आपने करना है कि क्या है और कहाँ है। टीवी है, there is TV, कहाँ पे? On the chair. डस्टबिन है, there is a dustbin, कहाँ पे? No, on the floor. वो पीछे पड़िए, शायद नजर नहीं आएगा।
Yes.
आप कह सकते हो जी कि there is a stand, stand है, कहाँ पे? On the floor, फर्श पे नहीं। There is a ceiling fan, ceiling fan, कहाँ पे? Under the ceiling, over the head, under the ceiling। छत से नीचे है ना?
Yes.
ये ceiling है ना?
Yes sir.
छत वाला अंदर वाले से इसे ceiling कहते हैं, ऊपर वाले से वो roof कहते हैं।
Roof.
ठीक है ना? What's there under the ceiling? आप अभी कह सकते हो there is a fan, ceiling fan under the ceiling। हम भी कह सकते हैं there are so many things now under the ceiling, on the floor। ऐसे
Yes sir.
एक तो ये बेटा करना है और दूसरा आपने क्या करना है कि if there is one thing, one there is, more there are। For example, there is a marker in my right hand, no? There are two markers in my left hand. There is one marker in my left hand. There are two markers in my right hand. Points clear?
Yes sir.
चलाइए, एक तो ये। दूसरा फिर ये होगा कि आप करेंगे कि who is there? ऐसे होना चाहिए। There is, you can say, there is a teacher in the classroom. There are students in the classroom. Clear बात?
Yes sir.
There is a lab attendant. Where? In the lab. There is a librarian in the library. In the library. क्या कहते हैं? Library. Library नहीं, गलत है। Library.
Library.
Very good. There is a librarian in the library. There is a computer operator.
In the computer.
Very good. In the computer lab. Very good. There is a farmer. Farmer. Kisan. Where? In the field. In the field. There is a farmer in the field.
Yes sir.
There is a tractor driver
On the seat.
in the driving seat. In the driving seat. On the seat. No problem. On the seat. Because किसकी seat?
On the.
Very good. No. On the tractor क्या है? ना सादा से ना।
Yes sir.
याद रहेगी बात है। करोगे practice.
Inshallah.
Mashallah. Thank you very much. See you inshallah Aziz tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday.
Yes sir.
Oh Allah,